So people asking one question. So I can create my website. How to share my website content on using Facebook profile. Just I'm not logging any Facebook account. Just I'm not open for any Facebook account. Just I'm logging my Facebook account in some other tab. So this my account will be logging here. I can share my content open for your website. I'm not open for my Facebook account. Simple. Just search your title. Here you can show for what is the option call is Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus. And target is Facebook. Here not opening my accounts. Where? Using my Facebook account. Account will be second tab. My website will be fourth tab. Just when I'm sharing any content using for hashtags. Using any content using for hashtag. Here is our content. Serve the content. Paste it. Click for post. Where the option call is. Here is the timeline. But am I showing option call is book your properties. Select here. Option call is share on page to another page. Select here. Book your properties. Select it. Now click for post on Facebook. Yeah, just I'm logging the Facebook. I'm not much my Facebook page. Just open my website, share in my Facebook icon, automatically shared by where? On my Facebook page. When you are posting for 9 hours back. Now I can refresh. Just here. Loading page. When the posting will be? Just now. I'm not touching for any kind of Facebook page. I'm sharing for website to Facebook page. This is called website is using for Facebook plugins. Facebook and Twitter and Google based automatic sharing purpose. Any content or website on your website to Facebook, they're using for these three websites. Suppose I can promote same link with multiple images. Same link can promote for multiple images. Link is same. Look here. So that is called we can use option call is the website name is called anyimage.io. Select it. Open your site anyimage.io. So website URL is common. I'm changing for title, description, and posting image. But link will be same. First, browse image. I am selecting here. Select it. So select title. I'm ready for description. So what the title is there? Book your property in Hyderabad. So copy this URL first. What's the title here? Resale for 123 BHK flat apartments, independent house, villas for sale in Hyderabad. So link is same, but I'm changing for title and description. Now click for finish. Copy this title. Now click for Facebook. You select by where? Your Facebook page. Load your Facebook page. So you have to wait for up to loading your Facebook page. Once load your Facebook page, select your Facebook page. Select it. Hash. Now click for post. One URL I can posting for two separate images, two separate title, two separate description. One is with website, second we're using for without website. So if any dynamic website content we can promoting for two ways. One is a website, second will be without website is called anyimage.io. You can set it for website also. Just come here. The posting for 5 minutes back. Now you can refresh. Just click for now uploading content. Click for now uploading content. They go into for which page? They go into for which page? See here. What are the images? This is a selling images. Now click. Look here. Your posting title, your visible title, total different. That is for your promotion purpose. This is called you can generating traffic for your website purpose. So why we can using for multiple title and multiple description purpose? One link we can promoting for multiple title and multiple description purpose. We using for anyimage.io, that is called Facebook marketing purpose. Now one link we can promoting for multiple title and multiple description using for anyimage.io for social media purpose. That is using for Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn option. Is it clear? This is called promote your dynamic content on Facebook using website.